Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Google Pixel device to Honor 200 Smart. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then hit whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Honor. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!